just got my first order. This is gonna be for Starbucks. $9 and some change, going about 4.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. You too. Always taking these risky early morning IHOPs, but maybe I'll get lucky. This one's $8, going 4.5 miles.
The straws in the bag.
Thank you. I was kind of expecting a long wait. The parking lot was practically empty, so I figured they'd be running a little slow. But I got my order pretty much right away. Finally got my next orders. We've got a stacked Starbucks. I believe it said like $10, going less than 2 miles. Well, color me surprised, or whatever that saying is. I didn't think they'd be ready for me, but I got lucky with both of them. Nice, nice. That's kind of weird. It smelled so clearly of ladies' perfume, but there was nobody nearby. That was very strange. Do we give this a shot? Sure. This one is Chick-fil-A, $8 and some change, going less than 3 miles. All right, yeah, that was a bit of a wait, but kind of on me. I didn't realize there was 10 items in that order. It's looking like I need a pin for this one, so you know what that means. Gotta meet the customer. Love that. This is gonna be on the top floor. Love that for me. This order just keeps getting better and better. It's always upstairs. Hello. Is that for me for a pin? Pin number? That was very enjoyable. Next order up, we're going to Starbucks. This one's gonna be $8 and some change, going less than 4 miles. Got this next order right away. It's for Burger King, $10, going 5 miles. Thank you. I got my next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for Krispy Kreme, $9.25, going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Hopefully I recorded that last drop off because the GPS was trying to take me to the wrong location, but I've done this once or twice before, so I figured it out. But I just got my next order. This is gonna be a stack, I believe, going to the same person. Wendy's and Black Rock Coffee, $10, going 1.5 miles. This one could be really good or really bad. We shall see. Actually, let's go see if I can go inside. Is this lobby open? That is the question. Highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. So let's try to be quick, just in case I gotta sneak into that drive-thru right there. Thank you. Excuse me. Out of the way. All right, time to cross the street, and hopefully they've at least started the order. Highly doubt it, but let's go check it out. Thank you. Next order just came in. This is going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $16.75 going 7 miles, 4 items. Four of these. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Just got the next order. It's going to be for Starbucks, $10 going 2.5 miles. Looks like we're going to a school and I need a pin, which means gotta meet the customer. Let's go. Hello, for a Mackenzie.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see the bag.
Got the next order right away. This one's gonna be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $8.75 going 4 miles. Only 1 item. Should be an easy one. And then just scribble on that line for me. I got my next orders right away. This is gonna be a stack for a place called Pho Hong Phat. $14 and some change going about 4 miles. How much are your canned sodas?
Canned soda?
Yeah.
$2.
Okay.
Okay. And then we can...
Amy, perfect, thank you.
Okay.
No way I'm paying $2 for a canned soda. Next order just came in. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's $14 going 6.5 miles, 2 items. I know exactly where this one's going. And let's do our little loop so we don't get yelled at by this old lady again. How's it going?
Oh, pretty good. Sure do wish we'd continue with the rain we had
Right?
this morning.
We had it for like, what, an hour, if that?
Now, did you get the lightning?
Yeah, it woke me up.
Man, boom!
All right, and then just scribble on that line for me.
Oh, sure.
Good enough for me. Well, I kind of forgot to film the outro, so I ended up getting gas and some lunch. So current time is now 1:06. Current total is 135, and I should have the last 2 Uber tips, the ones that were a stack. I should have that yet to come in, so probably like 145. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.